Dan Perry here with another Dan on Tech command prompt video. In this video, we're going to examine the find command, and the find command allows us to look at files and examine the files and search for different text. It really works only on text files, XML, HTML, that type of document. If we look at the help, there are several switches. In general, you won't use any of the switches. Occasionally, maybe you'll want the C for count or the N for line numbers, but for the most part, we don't use switches a lot. The V for lines not containing a string, I've rarely found a need for. But the find command, very similar to the Unix find command, allows us to search for text inside of a string. So if we start looking and we look for the word test in any of the files that start with the word compare, there are 3 of those. You can see in compare 1, it occurs 4 times. It appears 3 in compare 2 and 3 in compare 3. When I do find, the text that I'm searching for needs to be in quotes, and it can include blank spaces and such. Now I'm going to search now for test 1, again in those, and now you'll see it only appears in compare 1 and 2. Now if I gave a full file name, it would only look in the one file. If I use the /C command, now I'll get only the lines or the number of lines that contain what I'm looking for. Compare 1 and 2 had test 1 once, compare 3 didn't have it. If I go back and look at just test, now I see more occurrences of the word test. So I can just count the number of occurrences using the /C. If I use the /N, now it shows the line numbers that what I was searching for was on. So if I change this now to test 1, or let's make it test 2, now I see that test 2 was in compare 1 and 2 on lines 3 and 2 respectively. So I can use the compare to search files and find text that I'm looking for. If I've got a file, can be a Word document, an Excel spreadsheet that I know contains a word or phrase, but I can't remember what I named it, the find command is a very good program to use to find that information. Thank you for watching this Dan on Tech video. Please subscribe to this playlist so you don't miss future videos. Please check out and subscribe to our other Dan on Tech channel playlists.